Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to activate your PayPal business debit card. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open the PayPal app. Once you are inside, go to the Home tab in the bottom left corner. Next, tap the menu icon with the three stacked lines on the right side. This will open your settings area. From there, scroll down and find Manage Finances. Under this section, select PayPal Business Debit. On the next screen, you will see your PayPal debit card details. In the top right corner, there is an Activate option, and you can also use the Activate Your Card button shown on the page. Tap either option to continue, since both lead to the same step. Now you will be asked to enter the CVC number from the back of your card. This is a 3-digit code. Enter it carefully and then press Next. After that, your PayPal business debit card will be activated. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread across the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.